Hi, my friends. It's just a small tip. I know most of you knew this one, but for those who don't know, it's a small tip about how to select the whole data in a column inside the table of Google Sheet. You know, in Microsoft Excel, this is how we select data inside the column. We'll just press Control with spacebar. So Excel will select the whole data regardless if it's empty or it has content. So he will select the whole data except the column header. But this behavior, it's not exactly the same in Google Sheets. If you press Control with spacebar, the selection will extend to the header, as you can see here. So most of the time, this is not the behavior we want, and we want to select only the data inside the column. So there is a small tip, just to after you click Control with the spacebar, and you just hold the Shift key, and with the one click of arrow down, and you will back to select the whole data inside the column. Hope this is helpful for you, especially if you're working on a large set of data, and you want to be sure to select the whole data inside the column. Thank you. And appreciate if you can share and subscribe as well, if you would like. Thank you.